Today we're exploring some genius online tools that can make your work faster, easier, and more efficient. So without wasting time, let's get started. The LiftPro Speedframe. Extendable measuring level is a tool used to measure vertical heights accurately during construction framing. Its extendable design keeps measurements straight and reduces mistakes and recuts. The DeWalt XR Compact Angle Grinder is a compact cordless grinder that delivers strong power for metalwork. It includes safety features like an electronic brake and clutch to stop the disc quickly and protect the user. The Veritas Skew block plane is a versatile woodworking tool used for trimming, end grain work, and finishing cuts. Its 15-degree skewed blade provides smoother cutting and better accuracy. The Hyde pivot clip is a painting shield tool that locks into different angles for accurate paint control. It holds shield or cardboard blades for spraying edges and corners and can attach to an extension pole for extra reach. The X-Series telescopic pole pruner is a lightweight tool for cutting high branches. Its telescopic pole extends up to about 3.97 meters, helping users reach tall trees easily, while the balanced design improves comfort and control during use. The Woodpecker's stainless steel inspection square is a precision woodworking square made from solid stainless steel. It is CNC machined to ensure extremely accurate 90-degree angle checks, making it a reliable reference tool in the workshop. The MCS Wheel Assembly Manipulator is an industrial tool used to lift and precisely position vehicle wheels during assembly. It operates on an electrically driven crane system for safe and efficient handling. The Direct Reading Click Torque. Wrench is a tool used to tighten bolts to a precise torque value. It features a direct reading scale for easy adjustment and a click mechanism that ensures accurate tightening. The Eddy Beaver Groover is a hand tool used to cut grooves in floor coverings like vinyl, PVC, and linoleum. It features adjustable blades for depth control and guide rollers that help produce straight, precise grooves. The Teslong TF600 inspection camera is a tool used to inspect hard-to-reach areas. It features a four-way articulating probe and dual-lens camera that provide clear visuals for checking places like engine cylinders, HVAC systems, and wall cavities. The Dump Hook Load. Release hook is a device used in transport and logistics to quickly and safely release loads during unloading. Its strong design helps improve efficiency while reducing the risk of damage to goods. The Sunjoe Electric Pressure Washer delivers high-pressure water to remove dirt, grease, and grime from surfaces like driveways, decks, siding, and vehicles. It features multiple spray nozzles and a foam cannon for flexible and effective outdoor cleaning. The Hellerman Titan Three-Pronged Pliers are used to install grommets and expandable rubber parts on cables and wires. They feature an ergonomic, lightweight design and easily replaceable prongs. The Grizzly Extreme Series. Circular saw blades are designed for heavy-duty cutting and long life. They deliver clean, precise cuts in hardwood and other materials, with different tooth counts available for faster ripping or smoother finishing. The manual lawn roller is used to prepare and maintain lawns by pressing down soil, grass seed, or turf. It has rounded edges that prevent lawn marks and can be filled with water or sand to adjust the weight for different tasks. The Wolfcraft Adjustable Workbench is a Hyde adjustable workbench for clamping, cutting, and assembly tasks. It has an adjustable clamping surface and a foldable frame for easy transport and storage. The Wolfcraft drill-driven pump attaches to a standard drill to pump service water. It connects to common hoses, and its compact, self-priming design makes it useful for moving water from sources like rain barrels, ponds, or pools. The LiftPro modular tool organization system keeps tools organized and secure on bucket trucks, man lifts, and scissor lifts using heavy-duty rails and tether points. The Roller Blaster Paint Roller Cleaner quickly cleans paint roller sleeves using high-pressure water. It removes paint in seconds while using only a small amount of water, helping save time and reduce waste. The Rapid Roll Barrier. Storage Cartridge is a portable barrier system with rollout fencing that creates a quick visual safety boundary. It is lightweight, reusable, and allows fast one-person setup for temporary worksite safety zones. That was a quick look at some genius online tools you should definitely try. Subscribe for more useful discoveries like this.